In this video, we will discuss what to say when you are networking. Job seekers often meet many people while they are searching for a job. We will discuss how to prepare and practice a networking elevator speech, which is a short description of skills and career goals. For many of us, it is easier to meet and talk to new people if we have prepared and practiced something to say about ourselves. Let's imagine that you just got on an elevator with a high-level manager in your company. After you greet each other, you want to tell the manager a little bit more about yourself. What would you say? Most people would say nothing and miss the chance to make a good impression on the manager. However, successful job seekers should have a prepared statement they can use to introduce themselves to another person quickly. This short description is known as an elevator speech. Because the average amount of time in an elevator is about 45 seconds. Even though the elevator speech is short, it should give enough information to make the listener know who you are and what you can do. Let's start with the basic information that you should include in your elevator speech. First, tell them your full name and current job title, department or employer. Second, tell the other person what you are looking for, information or a kind of job in an industry, field or location. Third, tell them something about a past job or experience that could be important to them. Fourth, tell them about a job skill that you have and are very good at. After you have described a little bit about yourself, then you can ask the other person a general question. A general question is one that is easy to answer. For example, do you know if the company is hiring anyone right now? Asking questions helps to keep the conversation going and allows you to find out more about them. Let's see how an example job seeker, Amanda Smith, would introduce herself when networking. In this situation, Amanda is at a professional conference with many people in the auto industry, and she is talking with some people from Toyota. Here's an example of what she could say to introduce herself. First, she greets them with her name and gives her current job. Hello, I'm Amanda Smith, and I have been in sales for about 5 years. Second, she explains what she's looking for. I'm currently looking for a sales position in the auto industry. Third, she tells them about a current or past experience. One of the things I like most about sales is meeting and talking with new customers all the time. Fourth, she describes a job skill. I'm really good at listening to customers, and I am able to understand what they really want. Lastly, she asks a general question. Do you know if Toyota is hiring any new salespeople in this area? So, by asking a question at the end, Amanda keeps the conversation going and gives the listeners a chance to introduce themselves as well. The question at the end is optional or your choice. In summary, job seekers should have a short prepared description or an elevator speech that they can use to introduce themselves when networking. A good elevator speech includes your name and current job, what you are looking for, something from a past experience, and a short description of your best job skill. Even though it is short, it can give other people a lot of information about you. In the next video, we will talk about how to deliver your elevator speech with confidence.